In this video, let's take a look at AI in Monday.com, another popular project management software. With Monday.com AI, you can generate and summarize tasks, compose and rephrase emails, and more. Before zooming in on this, let me introduce myself. My name is Gregor. I worked in digital strategy consulting for 2 years, and on this channel I empower individuals to make better use of AI tools. Now back to AI in Monday.com. Monday.com approaches AI with an open-minded perspective. In June of 2023, their CEO, Roy Mann, said that AI is something that no one has cracked yet. No one really knows how it's going to be turned into products. That view, of course, impacts their proposed solution. So let's take a look at that next. Monday.com uses a two-pronged approach to leverage AI. Basic functionality is built internally, but external third parties are encouraged to build AI apps as well. To encourage this, Monday.com already held a 3-day AI app hackathon in June of 2023. In this video, we'll be looking at the basic internal functionality and one add-on as an example. The AI functionalities offered by Monday.com focus on making individual contributors more efficient. This provides an interesting contrast to tools like Asana that focus their AI tools on team and company level reporting and analysis. Monday.com's own AI assistant so far can generate tasks, compose and rephrase emails, and also summarize tasks. There are numerous add-ons, many of which are working on AI integrations. One example is Tracket, which allows you to log time based on text prompts. Next, let me show you in the software how all of this works. The first thing you need to know is that Monday.com AI is currently still in beta. So if you want to use it, you first need to go to Monday.com Labs and activate AI Assistant Beta. Once you did that, you'll see the AI Assistant button at various places in the Monday.com software. First, let's see how we can generate tasks. Here in my video roadmap, you see I already have a Monday.com video group with various tasks. Now I want to fill in tasks for my ClickUp video group. Instead of doing that manually, I can select AI Assistant, choose ClickUp Video, and generate tasks with a prompt. Let's write, create a list of tasks required for producing a video about AI features in ClickUp, and then press Generate. At the moment, the task generator always creates 10 tasks and does not consider other factors, such as what tasks I already have in the Monday.com video group. We can uncheck tasks we think are not relevant and then press Add Items. That is how you can add tasks. Next, let's take a look at emails. To work with emails, let's jump over to Monday.com CRM. Here we can go to our contacts and start a conversation. Then select New Email. In the email, again, you see the blue AI button. So let's press it. In this case, it gives us access to the AI email generator and already suggests a few prompts. Let's try it out and go with one of these. Alright, we got a text. We can now simply press this button on the top right and we get the email body pre-filled out with the generated text. You can see that the subject is still inside the body, and it was also not intelligent enough to understand the prospect's name and my name from the context. So you can clearly see that this is still a beta. If you ask it to edit your email, it will also require you to copy the email text in the chat again. So right now it really knows zero context. Still, I like that it suggests prompts, so it's a nice start. Next, let's take a look at the Summarize Tasks feature. For this, we go back to Work Management and choose our Monday.com video notes. This feature is currently not available inside of actual tasks, so the only way to show it here is to use it in Notes. To use it, we simply select the AI assistant and select Summarize. After a moment, we get a summary of text in a note. It's as simple as that. Alright, so these were the features that Monday.com AI already offers on its own. Lastly, let's take a look at one add-on as well, Tracket. Tracket is an add-on to Monday.com that enables time tracking. For example, you can measure how many hours Steve worked on the task inventing Apple Computer on any particular day. How can AI help here? Well, instead of entering your time tracking through a form, you can now select the Try AI button and then just write or copy in a text that describes how much time you spent on what activity. In some way, this is very similar to the Create Quick event in the Apple Calendar app, which has been around for years. But this type of interaction can now, of course, be powered by generative AI, which makes it much easier for even small app developers to offer. After generating the entries, Tracket shows you how it interprets them and lets you make changes before adding them to your timesheet. And that was Tracket, just one example how add-ons may integrate AI in Monday.com. What are the use cases? As usual, they are tightly connected with the features, and in this case, they include brainstorming subtasks, saving time with quick emails, and summarizing notes. The use cases here are very similar to the ones I introduced for Hive earlier on. This is, however, just the beginning, and I'm sure we will see many more use cases on Monday.com in the future. One more they already announced is a formula builder, and there should be many more coming in through add-ons as well. What does it cost? Similar to competitors, there is a free version with very limited features and then various paid tiers. Note that add-ons may come with additional costs. For example, Tracket that I introduced in this video charges up to 2.75 euros per user. And that is AI in Monday.com. I'll soon also upload a review about AI in ClickUp, another task management software. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in that. Also check out my videos about AI in Hive and Asana, two other task managers. And with that, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.